Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Moscow, local and long-distance movers near me. Moving belongings over a distance of at least 100 miles is a long distance. Interstate moves take place across state lines, while interstate moves take place within the same state. A long-distance move is very tasking, but with us in charge, you can rest assured of a hassle-free moving process. We offer excellent long-distance moving services. There's no concern about the late arrival of your belongings in your new location when you work with us. You don't have to worry about not getting your house items in their original condition. Our moving team is well trained to pay attention to when you're moving your items. They will use a high-quality moving truck that will accommodate and transport your belongings over long distances. We will work closely with state and federal authorities in charge of long-distance moves. Our drivers are also experts. They have licenses to transport items over long distances. They drive carefully and follow every highway rule. Although local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves, our moving services are the cheapest you can find anywhere. Unlike any movers in Moscow, Idaho, we offer prompt moving services at the lowest price. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. Ask the locals around. We are the only one offering value at the lowest rate. We organize your local move smoothly. You can relax and plan other essential details of the move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Moscow moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.